Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. And I know it can be frustrating when your Roku TV keeps closing out unexpectedly. So I'm going to give you a comprehensive step-by-step guide on the topic today, which is to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issues of Roku TV in 2025. So let's get started. First step you can take is to restart your Roku device. Yes, it is the simplest and most effective first step to clear temporal bugs and reload the system software. Second step is you check for app updates. An outdated app might have bugs that cause it to close unexpectedly. So what you need to do is check for app updates. And after that, you check internet connection. Remove and reinstall the app is another step you can take. It will solve it sometimes. If it doesn't work, you can clear the Roku's cache using a hidden menu. Roku doesn't have a direct clear cache button. This hidden sequence can sometimes help. How? Go to the home screen, press the following buttons on your remote in quick succession. Press the home button 5 times, up button once, rewind button 2 times, fast forward button 2 times. Your Roku device should restart. This process might clear some cached data too. Then you can also disable bandwidth server is enabled. This feature automatically stops streaming after a period of inactivity to conserve bandwidth, and it might be prematurely closing your apps. To do this is very simple. Press the home button, go to settings, network, click on bandwidth server. If it is turned on, try setting it to off. The next step you can take is to ensure your Roku software is up to date to update it. And next thing you can do is to check for insufficient power for Roku streaming sticks. If you're using a Roku streaming stick powered by USB port on your TV, the TV's USB ports might not provide enough constant power, causing apps to close. So try powering the Roku stick using a wall adapter with a USB cable. You also need to rule out other remote interference. In rare cases, batteries and other remotes in your home might be low and sending uninternet signals. Try removing batteries from other remotes temporarily to see if the issues persist. Then you can also do a factory reset of your Roku TV as a last resort. Only do this if other steps haven't worked. How do you do this? Press the home button, go to settings, then click on advanced system settings, click on factory reset. It will factory reset everything. Don't forget to follow the on-screen prompt to complete the reset. Then you will need to set up your Roku and restore your channels after the factory reset. If the problems persist with a specific app, contact the app developer support. And you can also check for community forums to see if other Roku users are experiencing the same problem with the app. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the issues of apps closing unexpectedly on your Roku TV in 2025. Remember to try the simpler solutions first before resorting to more drastic measures like factory reset.